Hey there, today I'm going to be installing a new set of locks on this shed. So as I started storing more and more things on this shed, I realized I need a better locking system. And to do that, I'm going to be installing a D-ring turn latch system. This is great if you're trying to keep your shed locked. It comes with various keys. But this is not the only thing you need to worry about if you think about locking your shed. You also need to think about your hinges. You want to make sure that you have carriage bolts on the hinges so there's no way for someone to come over, unscrew the hinges and remove the doors. I'll start off by removing the old hardware. And this shed used to have a gate style latch, and this is definitely not a secure way to lock your shed. The new lock will sit 1 inch from the edge of the door. And to install this lock, I'm gonna need to drill a hole with a 5/8 paddle bit all the way through. Then it's time to modify the door lock. Since I'm gonna be using 1/4 inch carriage bolt, I need to modify the screw hole in this lock. And to make sure that the door lock doesn't move around on me, I screw it down to a wooden platform. Then using a 5/16 drill bit, I open up the screw hole on the lock. The carriage bolt you're using may have a square head like this one. If it does, what that means you just need to ream out the hole a little bigger. And with the same size drill bit, a 5/16, you drill a top and bottom mounting hole on the door. And on the inside, I use a 1/4 inch nut and a washer to tie everything down. And after that, you slide the D-latch in and tighten it down with the Allen wrench. Having carriage bolts on your lock are great because now to remove this lock, the person has to go on the inside of the shed. If you have a single door shed system, you're pretty close to be done here. If you have 2 doors like I do here, there's still some work. You need to make sure that the second door, it's always locked in place. And the good thing about this kit that I'm installing, it comes with these spring latches that you can install on the top and the bottom of the second door. If you need help in finding this kit, check the description below. And as always, anything shed related, make sure to check out our channel or visit us at everydayshed.com. We have plans, material lists for all kinds of sheds of different sizes and styles. So if you're trying to build a shed on your own, this is a great resource for you. I installed the top and bottom latch about 6 inches away from the end of the door. Then I close the door and with a pencil I mark where the latch should go. Then I do the same thing on the bottom latch. Now to complete this install, we're also going to replace the screws on the hinges to carriage bolts. I recommend that you replace 1 screw at a time. This way you don't have to mess with trying to re-level the door. Now this hardware should keep your shed more secured moving forward. But remember, pretty much any building can be broken into. So if you're really worried about the security of your shed, try adding some floodlights on top of that. I hope you find this video informative, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.